Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how you can add aloe vera to your hair without cutting a aloe vera plant. I love aloe vera plants, but in my neighborhood sometimes the aloe vera can look quite sketchy. So I decided I will buy aloe vera juice. And create my own daily conditioner to add to my hair. So I'm going to tell you the benefits of aloe vera juice or aloe vera in general. So aloe vera plant can help strengthen your hair, control greasy hair, protects your hair from UV damage, and it can protect your hair from other damages that comes from the environment that could be harmful to your hair. But I'm going to tell you why I started using aloe vera, because several months ago I got tractionalopecia from tight braids when I got hair extensions, and I was so devastated. So I looked all over online, on YouTube, trying to find out how I can help my hair grow back, because I had a bald patch on the right side of my head and a bald patches on the left side of my head. I had actually missing hair, and I was so devastated. When I took my extensions out, I wanted to cry. It was bad. Women, men, everyone knows when you have hair loss, it can be quite devastating. So upon doing research, I decided I will use rosemary water. So I used rosemary water for about 2 months or maybe a month and a half, and I still have 2 jars of frozen rosemary water in my refrigerator because I decided to try aloe vera this time. And I'm going to show you how I add castor oil and rosemary oil into my aloe vera water, because aloe vera can be quite drying to the hair. But let me read this for you pertaining to hair growth. Some people say aloe vera helps with hair growth, but there's no scientific proof. I have seen proof online. However, research believes that aloe, a chemical compound in the plant, is a primary factor in promoting hair growth, as people found hair loss condition called alopecia. I had tractionalopecia. It has been used to improve the hair health and lessen breakage, which contributes to hair loss. So I think this would be beneficial for hair loss, preventing hair loss, and like I mentioned before, to strengthen the hair. Now, how aloe strengthens the hair? Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids, amino acids, rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E that plays a part in healthy hair follicles. So ladies, if you watched my previous video on my traction alopecia story, I used a derma roller to open my hair follicles because my hair follicles were dead. So if your follicles are dead, especially in the early stages of traction alopecia, it's easier to help your hair grow back. Use a derma roller, and then use rosemary oil, which I have here, castor oil. Spray your hair with rosemary water or aloe vera water. It depends on what your hair likes. So far my hair loves rosemary water with castor oil. I add castor oil to the water. Don't need to add rosemary water to rosemary water. However, I meant to say you don't need to add rosemary oil to rosemary water. This would be my second time making this concoction, because the first time I made it, I actually used, if you've seen my video on turn up the heat, heat protectant, I like to upcycle things. So when this was empty, I decided to try the aloe vera water to see if my hair would like the aloe vera. So what I did notice when I used the aloe vera, I didn't add enough castor oil and I didn't add enough rosemary oil, because I find that the aloe vera is quite drying on my hair. I want to mention I also created, I shouldn't say created, Guy created aloe vera. I made aloe vera oil, which is quite easy to make. So that helped also in the promotion of my hair growing back. I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera for your hair, aloe vera to keep your hair healthy, to promote hair growth, to protect your hair from UV damage. I also put this in my hair before I wash my hair. I spray my hair daily, morning and night, with aloe vera water, and it dries quite quickly. I have a 2-cup bottle, spray bottle, that I'm going to use. I bought this castor oil, and it doesn't have to be black castor oil. You may not be able to see it because I have my light on. Let's see. I will add the picture in the video. So this is Now Solution Castor Oil. I'm using 2 lights, so sometimes the light can get in the way. I don't want to turn the light off and it won't look good. So I will add a picture to it, to the video. It's not picking up because like I said, the light. And the print is not that big. So this is rosemary oil. Maybe you'll be able to see better, a little better. Okay, and the king, or the queen, I should say, is the aloe vera juice. So I have my measuring cup, I have my measuring spoons, and I'm going to start off by pouring the aloe vera drink. You can drink this, okay? 99.8 strengthened aloe. I have tried the drink, but it's a bit bitter for my taste. But I wouldn't mind doing a shot in the morning of the aloe juice and chasing it with orange juice. I'm going to get my funnel so I don't create a mess. So what I like to do, I'm going to add the castor oil first. Actually, yeah, castor oil. I'm going to add a tablespoon of castor oil. Okay. I'm also going to use the funnel for that so I don't make a mess. My selfie light just went off. It's okay. I have backup. I have to buy a new selfie light. Okay, the castor oil is in the water bottle. I actually think I should add 2. Like I told you, the aloe vera juice can be quite drying. I put this on my eyebrows. It helps my eyebrows stay thick, especially if I make a mistake plucking my brow and have a missing spot. I just use aloe vera, I just use castor oil, and within a week I can see growth. So the next step, actually, yeah, I'm going to use add rosemary oil. It smells so lovely. And what I like about rosemary oil, when you put it on your scalp, it gives the scalp a tingling sensation. My scalp is leaping for joy when it feels rosemary oil. I'm going to add, this is a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of rosemary oil. I still see a little oil. I'm going to get it out. This is castor oil. Come on out. Close this up. I purchased both products on Amazon. This was about $5, the castor oil. And I'm still trying to show you. You know what I'm going to do? Turn off the lights. So this is it. Now castor oil. Now you can see it. And Kukka, I think it's called Kukka Rosemary. Lights back on. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, put these in the back. Always use the funnel so you won't have a mess. Yes, I overestimated. I actually measured this as 2 cups, but when you add the oils, it takes up a little room in the bottle. So I would say, ladies, use for the rosemary, add a teaspoon and a half because it's completely full. And I measured this. This is 2 cups, and I still have a little bit of rosemary. I'm sorry, aloe vera juice inside. It may spill over when I put the top on, most likely. So what I'll do is, I don't like to waste. I'm gonna use this, the one that I initially made, and pour some in there. It smells so nice. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to apply it to my scalp. This smelling rosemary makes me feel so relaxed and invigorated at the same time. Okay, clean that off. Clean your counter, of course. And I will put that back in the refrigerator. And I just upside down about 4 times. Make sure I see the oils moving around. And I put it in the refrigerator, ladies. And I put in my calendar when I made my water. It's best to keep it in the refrigerator so it doesn't get old. I don't add preservatives to this, so what I do is I place it in the refrigerator. Before I spray my hair, I let it sit on the counter for about 10-15 minutes, and it will warm up to room temperature. Then I spray my scalp. It's perfectly fine if you want to spray your hair when it's cool. However, the oils would be a little bit solid, so it's best to let the oil soften up a little bit. I guess that's the right word to say, or become liquefied. And then 1, 2, just shake it. You don't have to like shake it, but just go like this. 1, 2. And spray your hair. And of course, focus on the scalp. So when you spray your hair, use your hands to massage for about 2 minutes. When I do braid my hair down, because if I do want to wear wigs, because it's getting quite cold in New York City, I will spray my hair once again daily. Doesn't matter if I have my teeny weeny afro or not. When I have my hair braided down, I will spray my hair day and also night. You don't have to go buck wild. I wouldn't go too crazy, especially in this weather, adding a lot of spray to your hair if you're going outside. You don't want to catch a cold. So just modestly spray if you're going outside, or at nighttime, like for me, before I take a shower, I'll spray my scalp. And I know by the time I get out the shower, have a cup of tea, just watch a little bit of TV, my scalp will be dry. This dries pretty fast. Ladies, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Like I mentioned to you before, I made aloe vera oil. I happen to like this. And you can put the oil on your scalp, or if you use hair grease, you can put that on your scalp. Spray your water. It actually helps boost hydration, the oil or your hair grease. And once again, don't forget to massage into your scalp and you will see hair growth. If you have seen my other videos, you will see that I was bald on the left and right side of my head, and my hair, thank you Jesus, grew back. Thank you for checking out my channel, ladies. I hope my advice helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me in the comment section. Mwah!